Hello, my name is Junior Nieto Piedrahita. I'm 22 years old. I live in Cartago City in Colombia. I study business management technology. I single my native language is Spanish. I have one sister. I learning English right now because I think it's beautiful language and also because I want to visit Liverpool one day. I improving day after day, but I need to practice with someone who is a native. In my free time, I like to play basketball and cooking. Question 1. Now can you tell me what your name is? 2. Where do you live? 3. How old are you? 4. And what do you do in your free time? 5. I have to you now have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.